So please tell what's going on, sir. When God, because you attend to the religious charge, we're ready. Please, media house, God. Look at these people.
Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Good morning to everyone who is listening to me. It's a long time that I've been on YouTube because of job. Time to time, person don't have time. We have a lot to do, morning, afternoon, evening. We cannot have time to edit a video. I've been hearing so many programs that are supposed to bring out and also give information to my viewers. But all the same, there are a lot of messages that we've been hearing all around. This morning, my message to you guys is the young guy Omoyele Sowore has been released. The Omoyele Sowore of Nigeria, the former presidential candidate of AAC, has been released. Because since Monday last week, we heard the courts gave order of his release. But I believe the enemies of him, Sowore, they don't want him to be released. They don't want him to be released because maybe he's targeting to overthrow the government. That's what they think. He targeting to overthrow the government. He's overthrowing to overthrow Buhari. It might not be so, but what he have in mind is Nigeria should be like where he's living in the United States of America. Compared to life standard in America and Nigeria, you can see America is far, far better in the standard of life. So Omoyele Sowore have that feeling. You know, any nation, any leader in a nation, you must have a kind of feeling for your nation, for your people, and for your economy that can make a change, that can bring a change. And Omoyele Sowore have that feeling. Brothers who are listening to me, Omoyele Sowore, I think he have that feeling. For the former president of Ghana, Dr. Kwame Nkrumah, studied in the United Kingdom for so many years. I think he lived in the UK. He lived in UK for so many years. But I believe his holiday time, going home and watching things are not the way he feel it to be. But at the end of the day, Kwame Nkrumah have the feeling for his nation. He have that kind of feeling for his nation, and he stand on his feet. He fought for the nation. You know, this life, everything you do, you must have effort. Without effort, you cannot succeed in life. Brothers who are listening to me, without effort, a man cannot succeed. It does not matter you are a Christian, you are a Muslim, you are a Buddhist, you are a Krishna, you are Hindu, you are whatever religion we call it. If you don't put effort, nothing can succeed it. Nothing can be survived. Like some Christians, they will pray, making 3 weeks fasting. After that 3 weeks fasting, they will keep on making prayer all night, doing many things. And as I'm telling you, they don't put effort in doing anything. You think angels will come down and work for you? You think angels will come down and build your streets? Or do you think angels will come down and pay your what do you call it, tax for you? In Germany, they use tax to pay a lot of working classes, like those people who work in government offices, police people. soldier, navy, you name it, immigration services, and even the parliamentarian people who are working in parliament, through the tax they used to pay all these people. And tax paying is one of the important things that we do. So what I'm saying, if a man does not put effort, thinking prayer alone will solve problem, it will not work. Brothers who are listening to me, now that Omoyere, the effort man, is out, his loved ones are happy. Like me, I love him because he put on effort. Ever since Nigeria get independence, there have not been a young man like this who have stand to fight for his country than Omoyere Sowore, like about 47 years old man. All the former ones we have been hearing, they come into politics when they are a bit older. Omoyere Sowore's age with Obama that time is the same age when Obama also started. And I think now Obama is 55 going to 56 years. Omoyere Sowore is now 47 years. Brothers, what is the plan for Omoyere Sowore now as he has been released? To me, in the beginning, I supported him all his rally. But unfortunately, Nigerians don't know him. Nigerians did not know him, did not recognize him. They only recognize Buhari and Atiku. I watch so many online TV, YouTube medians, YouTubers who have been interviewed, majority in the streets. They will ask them, who are you going to vote for? Even before the YouTuber or the journalist will ask question, he already answer his question. Buhari. If you go to the next person in this election, who are you? Before his talk finish, Atiku. So we hear many Atiku Buhari, Atiku Buhari, Atiku Buhari, Atiku Buhari. And finally, Buhari won the battle. So now he is still the second. He's in his second term as president of Nigeria. But Omoyere Sowore started again like he want to do campaign, do a sort of revolution or something like that. I disagree with him. I personally am not a Nigerian, but all my brothers, my friends, my loved ones are Nigerians. I disagree with it. And so long as I'm also an African, Nigeria is not only Africa. All African countries we are part of you. We are on your side. The same thing when it happened to a Ghana man, you are on his side. The same thing when it happened to a Liberian, you are on his side. Any country that are having some burden, some consequences, we are on their side. It's our hope, our wish that things will be better for everyone. So I did not support him. I was very feeling pain. But unfortunately, DSS said he had crossed the line. That's why they arrested him and put him in jail. Detain him for 45 days. And now, court has now give order for his release. The release is almost 5 days now before they have now finally released him. But we thank God that with the pressure of the courts, they have released Omoyere Sowore. So it's good news for Nigerian, but you should encourage him to calm down, not to make any attempt of calling for revolution at all. He should rather build up his politics very well. Build up his politics in the next election. He should build up his politics in the next election. I don't know if the AAC will still accept him back. They have already dismissed him from as party candidate of AAC. I don't know. Per adventure, they will take him back. Only God knows. But we are happy that he's been released. We are happy he has been released. The effort man has been released. Omoyere Sowore. If today is your first time you are watching my YouTube channel, I'm John K. I want to urge you to thumbprint. If you like the message, you thumb it. Next time I download any message, you'll be one of the first to receive my message. And also, if you like it, let me know. If you have any comment, you can comment me. You can say it to me on the comments section. And subscribe to my YouTube channel. You can also share to your fellow brothers and sisters so that you will also hear it, that the young man, the effort man, the presidential candidate, the young man for Nigeria has been released. And we thank God.